Hello and welcome back to another Wise Weight Management video. Our website provides you with some of the best advice on how you can lose weight, and since you've already clicked on this video, we know that you're curious and willing to try something new. Once you have completed the video, please feel free to click the subscribe button to view more of the content we have to offer. Now let's get started. Veganism. That word has sparked debate amongst a variety of different people across the globe, and you're probably one of those people who doesn't fully agree with it. But, did you know that a diet comprised entirely of leafy greens and other vegetables could be the best thing you can do for you, the animal kingdom, and the environment? Before you hide behind an especially large turkey leg in retaliation and insist that you need the meat for protein, you should know that with the vegan diet you can still get that and more. A vegan diet primarily consists of plant-based foods, eliminating meat and other animal products such as milk and eggs. Most foods taken on a vegan diet replace high-calorie foods with high-fiber alternatives that are low in calories and keep you fuller for longer. As a result, you're taking in less calories and eating less frequently, which leads to weight loss. Vegan diet menu. A proper vegan diet should incorporate a variety of healthy foods such as whole fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and unsaturated oils in small amounts. Simplicity is key with the vegan diet. Recommended foods are rice, dried fruit, and brown or white bread, which are all sources of calcium, iron, vitamin D and B12. It goes without saying that a follower of the vegan diet should avoid animal foods or foods with ingredients derived from animals. This means no meat, fish, dairy, eggs, or honey. Anything with whey, casein, lactose, or gelatin is off limits too, as these are animal-based ingredients. Is the vegan diet healthy? Navigating a vegan diet can be tricky, especially when it comes to ensuring an adequate supply of vitamins and minerals. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding have to make sure to eat 5 portions of fruits and vegetables, and reduce saturated fats and salts in order to supply adequate vitamins for the child's growth. Key health benefits. Apart from weight loss, the vegan diet boosts your immune system and helps your body fight many common illnesses such as colds and flu. Other health benefits of a vegan diet are lowered risk of developing high blood pressure, better control of blood sugar, and a lower risk of developing diseases such as type 2 diabetes, cancer, and arthritis. Side effects of the vegan diet. While following the vegan diet, you may experience increased bowel movement due to the high fiber content of most foods on the vegan menu, bloated stomach, and fatigue. As long as you plan your meals ahead of time, preparing them should be a breeze. With the vegan diet you can lose approximately 1.3 pounds in 2 weeks on average. It's easy to stay committed to the diet, as shown by Emily Deschanel's and Natalie Portman's 20-year commitment to the diet, thanks to the feeling of fullness that comes with the high-fiber content of the menu, hence keeping you from eating a lot or craving snacks and treats. If you need a diet that's affordable, guaranteed to help you reach your health and weight loss goals, and is easy to commit to, then the vegan diet is definitely worth a try. It may not be for everyone, but there is no harm in attempting something that can potentially help. Thanks for watching our video. If you're thinking to yourself that this diet is probably not for you, then explore the other diets on our website to find one that is much more suited to your lifestyle. Once you find the diet which works for you, then join Wise Weight Management, and let us support you on your weight loss journey.